Hey guys, welcome back to another Just Meta tutorial. Today we're going to be going over our AI coding tool. So this is going to be useful if you do any kind of web development or uh, you need help with your coding. It's not something I use all the time, but it's a pretty cool feature we have. So one of the things that you can do is you can select your coding language. So here I'm just going to leave it with Python because it's a pretty common one, and you can give it some basic instructions. So for example, um, give me a drop down box with the options yes, no, maybe, and other. It'll then generate some code for you. And you can copy and paste this whole code. You can copy and paste parts of the code. Up here, you have the ability to download it as a text file, copy the code, or save the code for use later. And you can do this with all sorts of things. So, you can go through here and change your languages. So let's say I want to do the same thing, but I want to do it in JavaScript. It'll give me that in JavaScript. So this was a pretty short one, but this shows you how you can use this AI coding tool to generate different pieces of code that you can use in your websites, in your apps, anything that you're making. Thank you guys for checking out this tutorial. We have over 70 templates here on justmeta.com, and we hope you join us for more of our tutorials on how to use every single one of them. Thank you.
The meeting has ended. Thank you for joining. Goodbye.